yesterday, and a son found his parent, and his parent, we worked on that person, did CPR, and I don't know if they made it or not. I mean, we were able to get the person back, but I don't know, if they were able to make it or not. So, man, to hear these birds chirping this morning is a beautiful, beautiful thing, because there's other people that didn't wake up this morning. Oh, on a side note, my wife got that job, so I'm proud, grinning ear to ear. My wife got that job as a flight nurse. She'll be flying in the helicopters, man, picking up people that had a bad day, picking up people that wrecked on the freeway, expressway, highway, picking up really sick patients from other hospitals. So, man, I'm just thankful. I'm blessed. Life is good. If you got up this morning and you're able to see another day, you're still winning, man, because you still got a chance to do something great. So guess what? Do something great. Much love.